Why are we not elevating together? What you gonna do with your money while I'm paying for everything?
So no. I'm not saying that you're gonna be paying for everything. When I say a 2-income household, I'm not bringing my income. If I start dating a man and he's like, okay, we gonna get serious, we gonna make money together. My income prior to you has nothing to do with you. I'm not bringing it to the table.
Where the women at like this? I'm not looking for them so I can be with them. I'm looking for them so I can avoid them. Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, it's been a couple of days and I'm back, baby. So what's up? In this video, I want to talk to y'all about the clip right here where the woman is saying that if she gets serious with a guy, he has to start paying her bills ASAP, right now, right here, get it done. How y'all feel about that? Y'all want to start paying a woman's bill because she want to start dating you seriously or not? So anyways, where I want to do this video goes to following. The first thing that I want to do is play out this clip so y'all can hear where I'm getting my assumptions from, and then I want to read y'all some of the clips that other people left on this, not just me. And then the final thing that I want to do is tell y'all what I personally think about this nonsense. If you like my content and you rock with your boy, make sure you show me some love and hit that subscribe button.
So Holly, listen.
I
So right,
hear what
a
you're saying.
2-income household. Now listen, we can definitely have a nice 3-bedroom house under just my income. You dig what I'm saying? 3-bedroom, 2-car garage. But now, out of both our incomes, we can get an 8-bedroom house, 4-car garage. Why are we not elevating together? What you gonna do with your money while I'm paying for everything?
So no. I'm not saying that you're gonna be paying for everything. When I say a 2-income household, I'm not bringing my income. If I start dating a man and he's like, okay, we gonna get serious, we gonna make money together. My income prior to you has nothing to do with you. I'm not bringing it to the table. Because if you a man, you supposed to groom me, right? We supposed to do this together. My income don't have nothing to do with what
I get it, but we talking about after we've already been together.
Yeah.
Once we're already together, right? And we're trying to figure out, all right, look, we're looking for a new house. Are we gonna look for this new house under just my income or both our houses?
You talking to me. If you're dating me, your income gonna be solidified. You're not gonna care about man. I'm not bringing man to the table.
It's not me caring about it. It's about the banks. I can't get this 1.5.
Now that's different.
Listen, no, it's not. That's what I'm talking about. This $1.5 million house that I want, they're not gonna just hold on. They're not just gonna give it to me off my income. Both our incomes will get the house. You dig what I'm saying? So what do you mean you're not gonna bring it to the table?
Okay, so
if you're not gonna bring it to the table, then I need to find a woman that will.
So now hear me out. If you need my income to get this house for us, we don't supposed to have this house.
Why? Because you're not gonna live in it?
No, hear me out. I'll put my income on the line, but as a man, you are the leader. You're supposed to provide. That means you already coming in the door above your means if you need all of my pockets.
No. It's about the bank. You got to remember.
No, that's different. Like on paper.
No, that's what I'm saying. So
that's different.
So here's my thing, right? If we are trying to get this house, we can get a double the size house if both our incomes are on there. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of who pays the bills, this, that, and the other, we're going for both of ours. So I'm trying to figure out why are you saying yours not coming into play?
If that's the game plan, you the leader. I'm following you, baby. Take my W2.
So your income is coming into play.
But you're paying that mortgage. It's not coming out of my pocket.
So what you gonna be doing? So what you gonna be doing with? So if I'm paying those bills, what are you gonna be doing with your money?
You paying everything else.
Me being me, everything else investing. But here's the thing, right? When I say like I am a wife, let's say for instance my income, I don't care if it's $2,000 a month. I will come to my husband. You paying the bills, babe. What we gonna do with this money that I'm bringing in? I'm not bringing it to the table for you to go F it off so you could go trick off with Keisha, Tish,
you're
and
moving
Shay.
the goalpost.
I'm not.
Listen, you just said you're bringing it to the table.
I will bring it to the table I will bring my paperwork to the table.
But not.
So in regards to the woman saying that she's bringing nothing to the table and it's the man's job to make sure she has a great life, the first woman said this. This is the most funniest, ridiculous thing I ever heard. The next guy said, bro, just downsize to get your own crib. She obviously does not want to be a real partner. Exactly. If they're your partner, they're going to help you out. This woman said she doesn't want to contribute in any way for the most part. The next guy said, so, let me get this straight. If they're married and she wants him to pay for the house out of his money, who gets the house when they divorce? Is it hers? So why does she feel that she doesn't have to help her man build but take everything he worked for? Yeah, it sounds messed up. She just like collecting like the IRS or something. Like, nah, you gotta help out around the house, not just cooking. What else can you do? This guy said, it's like sitting with a blind man and trying to describe yellow. Laughing out loud, accept it. She's just not for you. Get you one that thinks like you. Easy. And I will have to agree, like attracts likes for the most part. If y'all ears are open like mine was, when this woman was speaking, she wasn't trying to hear nothing nobody else was trying to convey to her. She made it clear as day that she is not looking to be a true partner in a relationship. When you're a partner with somebody, typically they are doing one thing to hold up their end and you are doing another. She said the man has to bring all the money to the table and her money is irrelevant. Only thing that matters is what he's willing to spend. And when you hear people talking like this sounds like they're trying to use you. To me, it sounds like you're trying to use me. So any woman I'm dating, I just feel like she has to contribute to the table and not just some tiny amount, because if we break up, and I know I pay for majority of this shit, I'm taking majority of this shit as well. And this is how most men should be thinking, like thinking that you have to save a woman and be a hero. Those type of actions were the way of the past. Women have rights and opportunities nowadays, so for her not to take advantage of this is on her, and any man that dates her is a fool. So what is your thoughts on this? Would you rather be with a woman that actually partakes and contributes to the household to a decent amount so she can say that she earned her keep, or would you rather have a trophy wife just sitting around doing the bare minimum? Leave a like, comment, or subscribe. This your boy Labz, and I'm out.